Today you're going to learn how to make delicious vanilla cupcakes that are simple to make. You make them in one bowl and they're quick and done. Here are your ingredients, but don't worry, there'll be a link below that will give you nutrition information as well as substitutions for some of the ingredients. Get started by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, you're going to need a half a cup of butter or margarine, that's 113 grams. To that, you're going to add in 2 eggs, which is 100 grams. Then you're going to add in your vanilla, 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters. If you really like vanilla, go ahead and bump that up for 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters. Next, you're going to add in some sugar, 1/2 cup or 100 grams. And finally, we're going to use some self-rising flour, which is 3/4 of a cup or 113 grams. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use plain flour. Just make sure that you add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, that's about 1.25 grams, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I want to say that's about 4 grams. Beat this for 1 minute or until it looks like this. The next thing you're going to do is put it into your muffin tin. Now you want to make it have as equal as you can. If you have one of these cookie scoops, it's great. If not, it's about 2 tablespoons worth of batter each. And it will be a very thick batter like this. It won't take a lot of time or effort to make this recipe. It took me about 5 minutes start to scratch, and I highly recommend the liners if you have them. Now I will tell you that there is going to be some spacing and you may panic. The reason for this is you want these to be as level as possible with the cupcake liner. You don't want them to be humped over like a muffin. You want them to be level so that you can ice them better. Now if you notice one's a little bit over and one's a little bit under, that's okay. You get better as you go. It's a really nice, lovely, light golden brown. You want to bake them 15 to 20 minutes or until they're ready. You will see that they're nice and springy at the top, and if you put a toothpick in the middle, they will come out clean. Now you can ice these any way you like. This is a great way to practice your piping skills. I'm not the greatest at this, as you can see, but it doesn't matter because they taste absolutely delicious. Look at the inside of these. They literally took me 5 minutes to make. They took about 20 minutes in the oven, and they were ready within an hour to ice. They're absolutely perfect. Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more recipes, and as always, happy baking.